This is what you don't want to happen to you. I have a message for crypto people. This is what you don't want to happen to you. Okay? When you look around and you want to see all the other people holding crypto, always have a plan. You know why? Because you may end up like this. You know what that means? That means the only one left. You don't want to be the only one left. Always have a plan, an exit plan with crypto. It goes in cycles. The new babies are going to have to learn that. The new babies who just got in. All right. Take it from me, my friends. You're going to learn as it's plummeting now. When you get crushed, you take your first crushing, you're going to learn to always have an exit plan. All right? This is Rafe West with a quick tidbit. All right, everybody? Peace.